Hey YouTube, Gear Driven 101 here. I got another tire video for you. Got my Corgan 124. Got my assist arm, but today we're not going to use the assist arm. We're going to try something different. Found very few videos on what are called drop center clamps. So today we're going to try it out first time and see how it does. And I'm going to give you my opinion as to whether I think it's a worthwhile investment if you have just the basic tire machine. So the tire's already broken down, so it's ready to mount. Now there's a few little tricks and tweaks that I have that I'm going to show you as well with mounting an alloy wheel. So here we go. So first what we're going to do is I'll preset the draws to according to a measurement, and now I'll put the wheel on. But now I've changed my technique and I open the draws all the way. I hook them on two of the claws and I slowly close it, and I let the hooks grab onto the rim on the outside, and it's a lot faster. And it's just as safe. I won't pinch the tire, so I'm going to show you that now. You see that they're clamped on now. I just fully depress it, and now it's locked in place. That's a little trick. That way, you don't have to keep on redoing it. You're low off, a little too small the spread of the draws. So that's a lot faster to do it that way. Alright, so we got it mounted to the tire machine. We're going to set the duck head, and then I'm going to put the drop center clamp on the tire machine. And I'm going to see if I can take the tire off easily. So to get the bead drop down, I'm going to use my lever here. I'm going to pry down on it at the opposite end of the valve stem, which is right here. I'm going to put the drop center tool at the opposite end, and hopefully when I go to pull it over the duck head, the tire, that's going to allow the rest of this back end here to slide under the drop center on the wheel. You put a little lube on the base of this so it slides easily. Pry down. And there we go. So it's on. I wasn't too hard. Now this tire is a 40 series profile. So it's definitely one of the lower profile tires out there. One that you're more likely experiencing, not unless you're doing like this 20-inch low profile, 22-inch low profile. But so let's get this set up. we're gonna put the valve stem here, right, kind of underneath, so we protect it when we're taking off the tire and we don't break the TPMS sensor. And we're gonna bring it over the duck head. Alright, let's try bringing it over. And pull out the pry bar. Alright, so let's see here. So we're able to get in the drop center. See in here, kind of tucked in there. It's a little tight, a little harder than with the Swiss arms obviously, but I take the pry tool out, I use the little hook end here. That keeps me digging out from digging all the way back in here, makes it a lot harder. This just grabs this little lip here and helps pull it over the duck head. So I'm going to rotate it, I'm going to keep that in place, and I'm going to stop just before it touches the duck head because then you're going to break it if you don't. Alright. Now we're going to try and just pick up the tire. And we're going to take the bead drop center clamp off. And there we go. So that worked pretty well. Actually, you can see it's off. The tire bead looks like it's in good shape, but I didn't tear it. Now, one of the things I did was when I broke down the tire, I put a little lube, like on my earlier videos. Hold on 1 second. I put a little lube on the inside edge underneath there and on the tire to help it slide over the rim when you're taking the tire off. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, it helps me out. I really would like to grow the channel, and till next time, stay wrenching.